Innovation born from endless exploration. The power of design comes from the freedom given by art. Guangzhou Huashi was founded in 2007. Focus on creating ergonomic chairs. Huashi is people-oriented. Carefully consider all details. Let comfort be more than one aspect. Continuous innovation of technology. Forging classics in the ultimate pursuit. Based on international quality standards. Use the most lean testing methods to test to ensure excellent quality. Huashi adheres to the values of customer first, quality first. In-depth study of ergonomics. Taking care of health. Safety. Environmental friendly. The concept of beauty and humanity. Redefine the office experience. After nearly 20 years of development, Huashi now has a production base of nearly 30,000 square meters. Make every effort to ensure a stable and orderly supply of high-quality office chairs. Future: Guangzhou Huashi Furniture will continue to be customer-oriented, carrying the mission of healthy office. Continuously iterate products and services. Create the first brand of healthy seats.